I was posted to Chennai, I was posted in Mumbai, I was posted in Jalandhar, I was posted in Pune. So I've literally done north, south, the whole thing. And most people, they complain a bit, being displaced from here to there. But I think it's brilliant in the bureaucracy. You go to any town, you have a community already there. The office is already there for you. You have a reputation, you have a job, and you have a reasonable paraphernalia to enjoy that place. I mean, can you imagine one Sangeeta Godbole from Pune going to Jalandhar of all places and enjoying Jalandhar? What more can I want? I think that is the best part of being a bureaucrat, I feel, especially if you get transferred from here to there. The other part is also that you can really make significant difference to the lives of the common people. For example, if people start getting refunds back into their accounts immediately, not everybody people really need that refund sometimes. Not everybody is a business person. There are people who really need, even if it's 20,000-25,000, there are people who need that money, and it is their own money. And why should they wait for it? Why should they go and plead to somebody saying, please, mera refund de do? That's not fair, right? It is their own money which is lying with the government. It has to come back to them as soon as possible. So these are the things that you can do in government. Very far-reaching outcomes for a very large number of people. One is a little, it's about your life. One is really about your work. So I think those are the best things about being in the bureaucracy.